Hi friends, it is Shannon and I am doing a twofer layout today. I am working for Challenge Accepted. We are doing May I Scrap Lift You? And that brings me into the Not Just for Boys Kit Club. We are scrap lifting one of our members. So I was looking along on the Facebook group and I saw this layout and I loved it. It is by Jessica Balmer. Hopefully I am saying Balmer or pronouncing it correctly. But she has a wood grain background. I have no wood grain, and what I'm doing, I'm just going for it. A really nice strong strip here. Fishtail banner here with title, and another cluster right here. And she has a nice square photo right there. Mine's not square, but it'll work. Doesn't matter, it'll be great. I also like that she has a cute little cluster up here. So she's got lots going on, and I think that's super fun that there's all kinds of patterns. So I'm loving it. I'm going to scrap lift that. So what I have is the current kit that is so bright and so happy and so gorgeous. It is called Vibrant, and it's a premium kit. So I like to always try to get a scrap used. So I'm going to use that for that nice off-white crepe paper strip she had. It's so gorgeous, by Vicki Boutin. It's the Color Study line drawing. And I have this Amy Tan paper here. This one is from Brave and Bold, and it's called Chill Out. And then what I thought I would do is bring this one in as well. So I'll probably mat the layout with it, as well as like the photo and all that. And it is called Aruba. Very nice. I liked that this piece worked with this. So I'm going to have a bit of a nice bold aqua color as well. So I have that. Here is my photo. This was taken on Mother's Day. This is my daughter Ryan with Blue in motion. He's slightly blurry, but he was just on top of her snarfling and carrying on. And I just think it is so cute. She has this way with animals. All animals love her. And yes, so they're always all over her and on top of her, and she allows them to do so, and it's great. So I do know I need that strip down the middle right here. I know I need a fishtail banner. So this would work. These colors work. That might be cool. Now I'm trying to just go into my scraps. Ooh, this one's kind of cool because it has the aqua, but I could bring in pink. Interesting. Oh, I have a piece of this left. If I went this way, I get to bring in lime green, and I'm a big old fan of lime green. I have lots of options. I just have to pick one. Ooh, guys, look at this one. This is really pretty. This is from Amy Tangerine Brave and Bold Starburst. Ooh, I like that to bring in white. All right, that's going to be my fishtail banner piece to work along with what she had going on. And I can punch out a couple pieces to go in that cluster up here. Okay, next thing I have to do is make my title. And I think I'm going to make it out of the alphas that came with the kit, and then these Vicki Boutin alphas that I picked up in the a la carte section of the store. So I got to come up with something. We'll come up with something. So I have that. And then I still have, I have a lot of my Amy Tangerine Brave and Bold pieces. I have these. What else do I have? Ooh, I have all kinds of mixed media goodies, but I also have these really great pretty little studio like subtitle bits. Let me have those out. Oh, and in the a la carte section, I did pick up these Pink Fresh Some Days enamel dots. They're so awesome. And then I have a bunch of, oh, Get Crafty. It does not work, but I do love that cherry red. Let's see. Oh, Kind is cute. Ooh, I could have Dude, You're Squishing Me. That would be kind of funny. I kind of like that. I can do Dude, and then You Are with this, and Squishing Me with this. Okay, we've got ourselves a title. Oh, and I have that color. Oh, I already used the that really nice turquoise ones of these little dots. I was seeing what I had, Okay, so I have a lot to work on. In the meantime, I have lots of fun, bright patterns, and I'm going to be following along with what, oh, I love these, with what she came up with. If I end up with red, I will bring in those red stars because I am enamored of them. And I also have these little safety pendants. Okay, I have so much to work with, so much to play with. I'm going to do the parts that look just like Jessica's layout. I've got to map my photo, and I have all kinds of colors here and all that kind of stuff. So I will be back in a jiffy. Okay, friends, so I have tons and tons of traction on this. This piece isn't on yet. So I matted my photo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times with scraps because it's my thing. The very first mat is the same mat that is matting my whole layout. So that's fun. Then I had all kinds of scraps, and I just basically used like turquoise, lime, and black because I thought that worked. Now I think I'll bring in this scrap for the cluster that Jessica has over on that side. Let me see. She has it more like this. So we will go with that. And I think I'll find one more little tiny bit that would work in the same way. I like to use those itty bitty ones for stuff like that. So let's see. I have this nice strong bit of lime. I don't know. Let's see. Maybe I'll punch. I have this camera punch. So let me look at punching this with the lime. Trying to see where exactly to get this little heart that's in it. But we'll see how it looks. Let's see. Oh, there it is. Ta-da! So that is fun. And maybe I can put a little different color to back it so it punches out. Or so it has like a little bit more color or flare. Because I have all of these colors I can work with now. So let's see. What do I have? I wonder if I can get a little bit of this pink behind it. Oh, that's fun. Okay. Yes. Let's do that. So I'm going to just pretty much back my little camera in some of the blue and pink of this piece right here. I think that would be fun. So I'm going to do that. Keep working with it. I have my title is all attached. So it has, Dude, You Are Squishing Me. And the squishing me is kind of wonky because Blue was insisting on rustling on Ryan a little bit. And that's what we have the photo of. It's like one of those candid in motion kind of things. So I just need to do my cluster here and do some decorative bits. So I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so I have all of these pieces. Let me see. Yep. Everything is attached. So now all I need to do is come in. I want to get 3 or 5, probably 3 of these really cool like faux buttons. I think these are like the bomb. They're so awesome. So maybe, I like one there, which makes me want this one to maybe come down here and this one to come here. Awesome. And I have these larger sticky dots. Let's see. Are these ones? No, these ones that, who makes these? Adhesive dots. Oh, looks like I got them at Tuesday Morning. They're a little bit larger, so I like them for these big button pieces. Let's go ahead and get these on. I tend to like the stripes on these going in different directions. If I have 3, I like them going into the 3 different wonky directions. Probably doesn't really matter, but it's what I like, so that's what I do. So I have this one. All right, that one's going that way. So I want this one going this way. And then the other one would be going straight. It's weird, but these are the weird little details that I really enjoy playing with for whatever reason. I just do. I think it's so fun. Oh, stuff is super sticky. Okay, so I have those 3 down. Now I was thinking about just finishing up with some of my Some Days enamel dots and maybe, let's see what I have. Ooh, I kind of like some of these orangey bits to bring in a little bit of this orange. I didn't have any of that. I've used a ton of this one, but maybe a couple of those sequins as well. Okay, I'm gonna bring a couple sequins in and I'll meet you back here in a second and show you my finished project. All right, my friends, I'm all finished and I ended up using this really vibrant deep orange to bring in this orangey bit in my 3 clusters, and I used a large dot and 2 of the medium ones. Some of them are big and honking ones, so I used them to really bring the color over. And then the sequin I used was just this really nice blue that I have in 3 different sections, and it is this sequins mix, and it is awesome. It's one of those things I was like, oh, I didn't know if I use it much. I have used this nonstop. And it's just enough to bring that blue in the paper, in the title, all that stuff, and it brought it all together like, ta-da! So let me do a little close-up. I kind of had some fun with these Amy Tan stickers right there, and that's awesome. All of them are popped up except for this star and this So Cute. I brought in another one of the little stickers over here. Those are the pretty little studio die cuts. There's my cute little camera punch, which is new to me. That little cluster there, just of the enamel dots, the sequins, and those great black buttons. And over here in this little bit, I just have one of those Amy Tan stickers popped up and the rest of my title. So that's what I have. Let me show you really quickly. Let me bring this over. Jessica's layout again. So hers seems a little bit more calm than mine, but that tends to happen with me. So I'm going to get this all edited and up. So I will leave all the links down below for Not Just for Boys Kit Club website, Facebook group, and blog. And then I will also leave the link down below for Scrappy Kathy's channel for the challenge accepted part of this, where we're doing May I Scrap Lift You, which is exactly what I did. All right, friends, if you have any questions or comments, leave them and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Bye for now.